It's another wonderful day. It's another wonderful day, and welcome to Trisolace. As a civil engineer turned farmer, it wasn't easy, but it was relevant because we now have a breakthrough. After 3 years of working experience in the snail field, we now have a breakthrough. Follow me. So this is our facility that we've built for farmhands and people who want to invest but want to also stay on field. Currently, we have about 20 acres of plots, and we are only using about 10 plots now. We have room to expand. So you can check on the other side. This whole place is almost virgin land. It hasn't been farmed before. So you can see your bamboos, everything. And then let's move on to the surprise. So just today, 2020, things are going bad, but we are planned on making it excellent. So we are moving on to our land. We are interested in people who want to invest, people who want to stay here, come and work here. There's free lands for everybody who wants to come and work here, especially if you are doing snails. So we are going to give the land for free, not that you keep it, but you put your tent on and farm your snails. And the good thing is that we have an off-takers agreement with Ministry of Food and Agric. They have the Snail Farmers Association buying any amount of snails you can grow. And that is the awesome thing. That is why we started this project. So this project is a 5 by 7 meters greenhouse tent for snails. And it has an overhead tank, and it will have an irrigation system. So every day you just wake up, you turn on your irrigation system, and everything you have planted in there can grow and feed the snails themselves. Let's meet the team. So as part of the team is myself, Felix Appiah. I am a civil engineer by education, but by choice, I am a farmer, and I'm now farming snails. And behind the camera is Collins, who also has a BSc in integrated science, and we are all doing farming currently. And then come to our engineering team. So I'll let him introduce himself and where he is from.
Hi guys, my name is Chris Subanda. I'm a mechanical and electrical engineer. I'm from Zimbabwe. I came here in Ghana to do greenhouse construction on vegetables. But wow, I'm excited now because I'm joining another team which is doing snails. So we are doing this greenhouse here, which is a pilot project where we want to grow snails. I actually want to join this team and see what we can do from there. Thanks.
Hi guys, I'm Raymond. I'm an agricultural technician, senior agricultural technician. I'm from Cameroon. You know, my whole team. In fact, I'm glad it's an opportunity for me to know more of snails, you know, and all whatnot. It's a great thing. Dear. Yeah. You guys come in.
Yes. So that is an awesome team we have put together. We have our technicians, our engineers, everybody is ready, and we are happy to have you on site. Invest in a future you can see and grow. Invest in Trisolace. Let's see what is inside. So we have our insulated surface with our net, our normal sieve net, and then we have our open area. So what we are doing is we are trying to do a natural setting as much as possible so that the snails can eat organically what is on the ground and grow very well. We will have our sprinkler systems there which will shoot water every day, so we do not need to enter the pen and destroy or disrupt the snails habitat. So we are going to grow all the other vegetables and all the other feeds that the snail eats, like the cocoyam leaves, the watermelons, all that. We're going to grow them naturally here, and that is why we have started this project. So we are going to build a lot more because, like I said, we have at our disposal almost 20 acres, but we have started clearing 10 plots that we are going to use, and one plot can take about 20 greenhouses, and that's the beauty of it. So if I say I'm giving the land for free, It's not going to be like I'm going to charge you later or a hidden price. No, you are going to farm on it for as much as a year or 2 years for free. Nothing is charged. You come here, you can sustain yourself, we can grow anything at all. Once we are a community, we can build something better. So come join us. Invest in the future you can see and grow. Invest in Trisolace. You can call us on 0249 234 809, or you can WhatsApp us on the same number 0249 234 809. Trisolace, get up! So we like to call ourselves the United Nations because we are a mixture of every other country in Africa. We are a United African Nation. So come have a feel of investment you can see and grow. You can stay on site if you want. You can go and come anytime, and then you are not restricted. Let us help you build an investment you can see and grow for yourself while saving the earth. Another wonderful day. Have a nice day. Bye.